Here it is, the BrickBoy cartridge. It holds all the electronics and perfectly replaces the original Lego cartridge from the set. This is where the magic begins, bringing the Lego Game Boy to life. And this is the display module. It swaps in for the Lego screen, giving you a bright 2-4 inches backlit color display. Let's take a look at the assembly. In just 5 minutes, you can install the BrickBoy kit and turn your Lego Game Boy set into a fully playable version. Same iconic look, only a few Lego pieces replaced. Alright, let's power it on. Even the buttons stay true to Lego. We use tiny magnets included in the kit, so you can keep the original parts, while powerful 3D magnetometers detect every press with precision. It's a mix of nostalgia, creativity, and engineering, turning a Lego model into a real, playable Game Boy. That's BrickBoy.